Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your used up tile, one of those tile trackers that you get to find your keys or your wallet or anything. Just go to the tile app. It says my tile needs to be replaced. It's been 1 year. One tire is running low on power. It still works. But it needs to be replaced. Just go to the app, tap on your tile, meet the new tile detail screen. Oh, this is new. I never opened the app in a long time. At a glance, there's your tire. Got it. See, it shows it's a low battery. And then you just click on that tab that it drop down and replace tiles. Get new tile at exclusive discount. It's gonna give you a discount so you don't have to pay a lot of money. Like this costing me how much? Like $20. So it's gonna give 20 or 30. $25 it costs. So it's probably it will give you a discount up to 40% off. So buy replacement tile and you can choose between which one you want. I want the original one, so I might maybe the pro. Nah, I want the original one pack, $15, and then add to your cart, and then you got it. And then check out using your debit or credit card or PayPal, and that's all you do. I might not replace it at the moment, but yeah, that's how you can replace your tile directly from your iPhone app. And yeah, just click on the tab and buy replacement. The tab should be up here also because it's running low. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's get that achievement completed. 2,000 subs. So yeah, peace out guys. See you next video.